Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can deliver Wix website to a client and transfer ownership. So first step you need to do is to open Wix dashboard. Once you open here you can see site actions. You simply need to click on three dots and here you can see a bunch of different options. You simply need to click on transfer site and once you click on that option a new window will pop up. Who will be the new site owner? So here you need to add email address. So I'm going to add example abc at xyz.com. Okay, and here you can see what would you describe them as. So it is my client. Click on continue and here you can see two options. Keep my role as co-owner. If you want to be the co-owner, select this one, and the second option is create a copy of this site and keep it in my account. If you want you can select it and click on continue. So this is the process how you can deliver Wix website to a client and transfer ownership. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.